be your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world.
Hello, my darling, beautiful damsel, my self-care lovers. You're welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my health drink that keeps my skin glowing without lotion nor cream. Yes, did I tell you that you can glow and you can even lighten your skin due to what you put into your body? I'm sure I have mentioned it, that it's all what you put into your body that makes you glow. The cream is just a plus. If you are doing the right thing for your skin, there is how you can go for a week without applying any lotion on your body. Sometimes I just apply lotion so that I don't feel incomplete. Yes, because I have my health drink always with me. Try to do this every time, every day, at least once a week sometimes. And maybe in 2 months or in a month's time, get back to this channel, go to the comment section and tell me how your skin is popping. Yes, my health drink. This is health in a cup, health in my cocktail bottle, health in my cocktail cup. Yes, I didn't want to drink it because I won't stop. When once I take it close, I won't stop. So let's go to my workstation. Let me show you how this is being prepared. Beetroot is a great source of fiber, vitamin B9, vitamin C, iron. Beetroot helps to cleanse the blood. Apple, as we all know, is an antioxidant. It contains vitamin C and other ingredients that boost the heart, the brain, and the digestive tract. Cucumber contains 95% water. A very great form of detox. It balances hydration and enhances skin health, makes our skin glow and fight disease. So please try this drink and tell me how you feel about the drink, and please endeavor to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and loved ones, especially those that are above 50. Try to take drinks like this to help your health. And for us that are still popping, you also have to learn to take drinks like this against tomorrow. Fight for yourself now so that you won't begin to fight when you're already 50. So thanks for watching. So subscribe and bye.
Friend, I could be your